Okay, hello everyone. I just want to go over these day 44, a couple puzzle piece assignments, just to make sure you all understand them. Again, guys, this is the warm-up, right, from day 44. Again, guys, it's all about the vertex. And something like this is going to be on the test, where it's not multiple choice, you got to put it in there. If it's in vertex form, HK is right there. It's the opposite of what's inside, exactly what's outside. Just write it down. You can look right at it. 1, -3. All right, the opposite of what's inside, exactly what's outside. Number 2, again, -2, -5. Just write it down. The opposite of what you see there, exactly what you see there. HK. And the reason the H is opposite is because it's negative H here in the equation. All right, this is number 3. Guys, you need to find the vertex in factored form. All right, guys, so what do? You take in the opposite of these two, because that's the 2x intercepts. -5 and -3, add them together and divide by 2, because you're looking for what's right in between them. The axis of symmetry is the x-coordinate of the vertex, h. Then take that number, plug it right back into this equation right here, and find out what k is. It's 1. All right? You do the same for number 4 here. Okay, h right here. Again, -7, -5. I'm sorry if you hear some people, guys. I'm in school now. All right, add them together. You get -12/2 is -6. Then put -6 into this equation where the x is. Okay, -6. I end up with -3. All right, number 5, this is in standard form. You have to find the vertex. Well, guys, find h using that formula -b/2a. We talked about that quite a bit. That's the b and that's the a. So here's the formula. I got 2. All right, then take 2 and plug it right back in the original equation to find k. All right, I just plug in 2 where x is and plug it back in. I got -2. And I did the same for number 6. All right, it's standard form. They want the vertex. They want HK. The H is -b/2a. All right, so that's the B is 16. The A is -2. I plugged it in here. I got 4 for H. And I took the 4 and plugged it back in for X in this original equation, multiplied it out, and I got -1. All right, guys, go ahead, and if you haven't done it, you can always stop the video and rewind it, guys. I'm going faster. That was the warm-up. Guys, this will be the exit ticket. All right, day 44. All right, guys, number 1 again. They give you standard form quadratic function. They want it in vertex form. So obviously you have to find the vertex. All right, so you use -b/2a to find the h. I found the h and it was 7. Well, guys, now I can look at vertex form. All right, so it's going to be x -7. So it's either a or it's d. Well, guys, a here in our original equation is 1. So right there, a is 1. Our answer is a. See there, a is -2. All right, just find h. That should help you with the answer. If you need to find k, then find it. But if you don't, all right, number 2, again, I find h. They're given a quadratic in standard form. They want the vertex form. So you have to find the vertex. All right, I use the formula -b/2a. I found 10. So guys, look at x -10. It's either this one or this one up here. The problem with this one right here is that there's a 3 in front of that x. That's not even vertex form at all. This is vertex form right there, all right? All right, the next one, guys, is number 3. All right, they want it in factored form. You're given it in standard form. So factor it. That's what I do. I factor it. There's the answer. Same with number 4. You're given a quadratic in standard form. Factor it. All right, there's the answer right there. All right, again, you're given a quadratic. All right, in vertex form. Oops, vertex form. They want it in standard form. So what do? You multiply it out. That's how you get it in standard form. So x plus 4 squared is this right here. I multiplied it out. Then I took that negative 2 and distributed it to around these three terms, over these three terms. Then you got to remember that 4 at the end. You got to add that 4 as the last thing that you do. Well, same with number 6. They're given a quadratic in vertex form, and they said they want standard form. So just multiply it out. Right, x plus 6 squared is this right here. And then you just subtract 5. That's what I got. All right, number 7. This time you're given a quadratic in factored form, and they want standard form. So again, you multiply it out. Just FOIL this. All right, x times x times 7. All right, the whole I just multiplied out right here. These two terms combine to give me negative x. Then I take this 2 and distribute it, and this is what I got. All right, almost the exact same problem, number 8. Almost the exact same problem. You multiply this out. The only difference is this one's a 3. I multiply it out the same way, combine like terms, take the 3 and distribute it. All right, number 9. Guys, this one you're given a quadratic in factored form, and they want vertex form. Well, how do you find the vertex of a quadratic in factored form? You look right in between the two intercepts. Well, this one is 0. That's x minus 0. And this one is x minus 4, so it's 4. So 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So h is 2. All right, and a is 4. So I can just come right down here, and it's right there. H is 2. All right, the last one. Again, you want to multiply it out. Oh, I'm sorry, no. You can find the vertex by taking the midpoint of the two intercepts. So 8 and 2. So 8 plus 2 divided by 2, that's 5. So h is 5. So I can look at the vertex form and see negative 5 is right there. H is 5 right there. And I can just double check. A is 2. All right, you can do it like that way, guys. All right, that's it. Thanks.